Sabi niya, ikaw yung crispy pata ko. Hindi pa kami nag-kiss nito or holding hands or anything, ha? Parang, ewan ko, mukha siguro akong crispy pata ng time na yun. So, tawag ko sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, o sige, ikaw yung chicharon bulaklak. Sabi ko, diba? So, wala. Parang after that day, after that trip, hindi, we were inseparable na. So,
Pakinggan ang emosyonal na yulugi ni Elvis Gutierrez para sa kanyang asawa na si Alexa.
I just want to start from the beginning how we met. We met at a party at my good best friend's, one of my best friend's houses in Tagaytay. And tinanong ko sa mga common friends namin si Father yata, one of our best friends na ka-close ko rin. Sabi ko, Pat, sino yung chinita na nakaupo doon? Parang fit niya. Sabi niya, uy, huwag yan, may boyfriend yan. Sabi ko, wala naman akong gagawin. Kakausapin ko lang naman. Hindi naman ako. Mabait naman ako eh. So yung pinakilala niya kami, this, si Alexa, ganyan. Wala, the whole night, I just annoyed her. Kasi parang, ang sarap niya asarin eh. Parang pag inaasar ko siya, parang, alam mo yung, alam mo galit, pero alam mo gusto talaga niya na inaasar siya. So inaasar ko lang siya the whole night. Lagi siyang parang sungit ka sa akin. Wala, parang kasi may boyfriend siya eh, so hindi niya ako pinapansin. So, until yun nga, napunta na yung group sa taas dahil kakain na kaming lahat. And then, suddenly, nag-brown out. As in, pitch dark. After 5 seconds, nung bumukas yung ilaw, nakayakap na ako sa kanya. Sabi niya, ew, parang nakagalit siya kasi niya, wala, hindi naman kami close eh. Hindi ko naman alam na sa'yo na. So, wala, after nung party na yun, tagal namin hindi nagkita, siguro mga 4 months kasi wala, siya had a boyfriend, ako may sarili akong buhay. And then I don't know why na I got invited to a beach party na kasama yung mga best friends niya. Yun nga, yung day na yun, sa birthday din ni Pater, yung the girl who introduced us to each other, parang we just clicked right away. Parang our affection and connection, parang it just clicked right away. So, parang naiilang na yung mga tao sa amin kasi nga, we were just, I don't know, hindi naman touchy lang, hindi naman wala naman, hindi pa kami nag-kiss nun, wala pang holding hands, kasi nakakaano pa lang namin eh, we were just, so after that trip, that beach trip, meron na kagad kaming nicknames for each other. Ayoko na lang sabihin dahil medyo nakakahiya. Sabi niya, ikaw yung crispy pata ko. Hindi pa kami nag-kiss nito or holding hands or anything, ha? Parang, ewan ko, mukha siguro akong crispy pata ng time na yun, ha? So, tawag ko sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, o sige, ikaw yung chicharon bulaklak. Sabi ko, diba? So, wala. Parang after that day, after that trip, hindi, we were inseparable na. So, as in, we were together every day until yun nga, soon after, we became a couple. So, we spent a lot of time together, as in, yung connection namin was really different. Naramdaman ko kagad yun from the get-go. And yun nga, so, until she had to leave for Houston. So, of course, I was heartbroken, di ba? I was heartbroken. Inatid ko pa kayo sa airport, inatid ko siya sa airport. And we were only together for like 9 months eh. Parang ganun. So, and then she had to leave. So we promised each other na we were gonna do the dreaded long distance relationship. Of course, I was nervous kasi wala namang masyadong nagsasucceed na long distance relationship. I heard a lot of bad stories about it and you fall apart and all that. The relationship falls apart. So, but we tried. So we tried. Every year I go there, siguro mga twice a year, just to visit her, di ba? So, just to continue the relationship. Kasi na, we talked every day eh. Thank God, may Skype na nun. nakakapag-usap kami everyday. So, but there came a time na after like 4 years of long distance relationship, there was a time na our relationship fell apart. We like almost broke up. We almost broke up. As in, I was doing my acting job at that time, and it took too long for me to go there. Parang I got stuck here with that job. So our relationship fell apart. Basically, naging cold na siya kasi nga wala na kaming time together. 8 months na kami hindi nagkikita eh. So when that happened, I decided to quit my acting job, and I went to Houston to follow her. So I stayed there for a year. I won her heart back eventually, and yun nga, kinidnap ko na siya pa-uwi ng Pilipinas after na medyo ayaw ni Daddy Joel.